So this is another application. This application can actually summarize a long text. Let's say you have a very big file and you want to summarize that. That time you can use this particular application, because sometimes what happens if you pass any bigger documents to the ChatGPT won't be able to summarize that because it has some limit, right? But here you have actually one functionality called splitter. I think I showed you the splitter, right? With the help of that, you can create small chunks and you can summarize the entire text. So let me show you one example. So for this, I'm going to pass my API key. So this is my API key, and here you have to upload one file. Okay. As of now, I've kept a TXT file. You can also give PDF file. Okay, any kinds of file. So this file is available. So here I have one data file. So inside that I have some, actually you can say text. Now let me upload this file. Now see, this application is running, and after some times you will see the summary. See, this is the summary actually I got. I can upload any kinds of file. Okay, it's up to you. Now let's see how it is working. See, I'm using the same template previously I used. So this is the code and how to set up. Here I have given everything in the readme file. So I'm importing some necessary library, you can see. Then I'm creating a function. This will return the LLM and the page header and all. I'm creating two columns. One is for the left side, okay, this side. Another is for the this side, right side. Okay, the same thing, the previous template I used. Okay, see, most of the code are same. So open API key, markdown. Then see, from here actually our actual implementation start. So first of all, I'm just checking whether user has uploaded any file or not. If uploaded, I'm extracting the data. Okay, after that I'm storing here. Then I'm checking the length, whether it is having 2000 tokens or not. Okay, here I'm giving that condition. You can also ignore it. If you want, let's say more than 2000 words, you can also do it. Then I'm checking if a file is uploaded. Now openai API key is given or not. Okay, if not, I'm sending the warning. Then if it is passed, okay, then what I'm doing the recursive character test splitter. I think you know what is recursive character splitter. It will create a smaller chunks, okay, of your entire document, and it will give you the splitted documents. Then I'm loading the LLM, then creating the chain, okay, summarize chain with the load summarize chain from the LangChain, okay, because inside LangChain we have different kinds of chain, I think showed you, and we're using legacy LangChain here. Okay, now the chain we have created, I'm passing my splitted documents inside that, and it will give me the summary, and this summary actually I'm writing on my Streamlit app. Okay, so this is what actually we are implementing. Now simply go through the code and execute from your system. Okay, definitely this part would be more clear.